Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about Janhvi Kapoor. Janhvi Kapoor's latest photo shoots has captivated audience and critical likes, showcasing her versatility and ability to embody various styles with grace and confidence. In this series, she channels retro glam, bring a fresh yet nostalgic vibe to the forefront of contemporary fashion. The photoshoot features Janhvi as a chic, monochrome ensembles, comprising a white crop top and a skirt adorned with intricate fringes and braid detail. This outfit exudes sophistication and elegance, highlighting her ability to merge classical elements with modern trends. The minimalistic accessories, including a sparkling clutch, complement the ensembles without overshadowing them. Allowing her natural beauty to shine through. Her makeup is snapped, understated, with a focus on doughy skin and subtle highlighted that accentuated her features. This minimalistic approach adds to authenticity of the retro themes, ensuring that the overall look remains cohesive and true. It represents the setting of photoshoot further enhance the vintage aesthetic with elements reminiscent of classical film set. The backdrop complements Janhvi's attire and style, creating a harmonious visual narrative that transports viewers to a bygone era. Photographer Dabbu Ratnani, known for his ability to capture the essence of his subjects, has masterfully framed each shoot to highlight Janhvi's pose and elegance. His use of lighting and composition add depth to the image, making them both timeless and contemporary. Fans and fashion enthusiasts have lauded his photoshoot, praising Janhvi's ability to embody the retro glam looks effortlessly. Her portrayal serves as an inspiration for those looking to incorporate vintage elements into modern fashion, demonstrating the timeless appeal of classical style. This photoshoot also retro Janhvi's growth as an artist and fashion icon. Her willingness to experiment with different styles and eras showcase her versatility and commitment to her craft, solidifying her position in the industry. Janhvi Kapoor's latest photoshoots is a testament to her ability and blend classical elegance with contemporary fashion. Her portrayal of retro glam not only pay homage to cherished era, but also redefined it for today's audience, making it relevant and inspiring for fashion enthusiasts worldwide. Janhvi Kapoor is known for her ethereal beauty with graceful presence. She has a striking figure with a well-toned silhouette that adds charm both ethnic and western outfit. With expressive almond-eye shaped, lustrous hair and radiant smile, she exudes grace and a youthful glow. Her facial structure is soft yet defined, making her one of the most photogenic actresses in the Bollywood today. Janhvi Kapoor has successfully carved out of a strong media presence and stylish pose, and hardworking actress. She is often referred to as a perfect blend of glamorous grace, much like her late mother Sridevi. The media portrays her as a fashion-forward star, who also brings depth and sincerity of her roles. Despite being a star kid, she has earned her place through consistent performance and public humanity, to making her a media favorite. Janhvi's fashion sense is both diverse and experimental. She seamlessly switches between traditional Indian attire and contemporary high fashion. She known for her loves of lehengas, saris, anarkalis, and yet quality stunts in bodycon dresses, court-set tops, and couture gowns. She experiments with colors, fabrics, silhouettes, often setting trends among youth. She often collaborates with top designer Manish Malhotra, Falguni Singh Peacock, and Gaurav Gupta. Janhvi Kapoor red carpet appearance are nothing short of iconic. She has a reputation for making bold fashion statement, whether it's the heavy sample gowns with dramatic tails or minimalistic satin dresses that exude class at events like Filmfare, Canals, Ile Beauty Awards, and Vigor Indian Function. Janhvi always brings a distinct touch of elegance, often making headlines for her looks. Her confidence and posture elevates symbols she wears. Janhvi often chooses outfits that accentuated her waistline or shoulders. Off-shoulder gowns and structured corsets are common in her wardrobe. She paired these looks with soft curls, highlighted cheekbones, and glossy lip. Her signature style is a fusion of soft femininity and bold glamour. Janhvi's Instagram is a mix of stunning photoshoots and behind-the-scene content from her shoots. Her aesthetic is a clear, modern, elegant, with a strong focus on fashion and beauty. Fans love her candid selfies just as much as high-ended fashion looks, giving her strong following and making her a Gen Z style icon. Her well-maintained figure and a glowing skin are result of disciplined workout and skincare. Janhvi is regularly seen outside pilots' classes and gym sessions, and her fitness has become a talking point among her followers. Her dovey makeup, glossy hair, and radiant appearance are a testament for her self-care routine. Due to her elite fashion profile and elegant image, Janhvi is often chosen for understatement beauty, skincare, and fashion brands. She represents a blend traditional and modern femininity, which make her relatable yet inspirational for a wide audience. Over the years, Janhvi's fashion evolution has been commendable. From her debut days with soft pastel ethnic outfit to now confidently rocking bold and daring couture pieces. She has grown into a trendsetter. Her presence is often compared to global fashion influencer and international celebrities. Janhvi Kapoor is an influencer in every sense, from outfit inspiration to beauty looks. Her red carpet glam and off-duty style influence thousands of young fans who look up to her modern days stylish tips. She represents contemporary Indian youth, rooted in traditional but bold in expression. So guys, here's the some detail of Janhvi Kapoor, and if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe silently for more videos like this.